What's up, everyone? Welcome to Finance with Tony. I'm Tony, and here I'm sharing some ideas about a frugal lifestyle, and also I give you the scoop what's going on in Novosibirsk City. It's the capital of Siberia unofficially, and I didn't mention. I didn't give much information about the personal car ownership, and here's an example which type of services you can expect here in metropolitan areas in metropolitan area of Novosibirsk City. You can, if your car, for instance, here, hopefully you can see this. If your car has broken, you can call to this special service, and your car, your broken car will carry the they deliver your broken car to the service or to a service, and you can fix all your problems, and so I understand that probably it's logical, and it's a common thing in major parts of the world, I believe, at least in metropolitan areas. But to give you the scope what's going on here in Novosibirsk City, in the capital of Siberia, here you can check it out. And if you're if you would ever travel here, or for any other purposes, just you can keep it in mind, or take it into account. And I guess in terms of frugal lifestyle, I guess it's another example why I prefer taxi applications or car sharings or public transportation system rather than personal car ownership. I had I used to be a driver. I used to be a car owner, like probably more than 10, at least 12 years, I guess. And I sold my car, and I'm pretty happy about that. I mean, I've sold my car like a few years ago, and also I guess it's healthier and it's more convenient, and the main threshold for me was lack of services before Uber, before era of digitalization, and also it had something to do with my believement, like I didn't live. I used to live in suburban area. I thought that it's more it's better to commute driving a car every day, and like my penny saved and penny earned, but the misconception was in terms of other expenses. A part of gasoline, you have to a part of rent. You have to spend much more money for commuting and for services and for car insurance. Though my car insurance, I end up with a really affordable car insurance, like $300 or $400 a year. $300 a year, and it used to be $1,000 before a year. Anyway, it's more affordable because it's Siberia. But I did struggle with such unpredictable situations when your car is broken, for instance, or something like that. Of course, I used to work also as sales representative and sales rep, and at this time frame, I was glad to say that I have I have a car by my company, and it was another misconception, because the company expectations were much higher. I had to spend a lot of time beyond of the metropolitan area, beyond of the opportunities of my city, and it was beyond. I had to drive a lot, and it was fun for some time. It was my 20s. I used to change my location every once a week, and it was a lot of fun. Different restaurants, different metropolitan areas here in Siberia, and also different hotels, motels, so on. Quite a lively lifestyle, but at this time, and busy lifestyle, and maybe a bit sort of like a traveler lifestyle, or you name that. But at the end of the day, I missed many opportunities, like build a strong network and focusing on certain purposes, like build your own company, for instance, my own company, for instance. So I guess so the final of the story with a car, or one of my neighbors. Hopefully she's gonna be all right. Here's my take on personal car ownership, and thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. Thanks for coming along. Thanks for using Finance with Tony. Feel free to share your opinion in the comments below, and have an awesome day. Have a great one. See you next one.